Hello everyone, welcome to Click Campus Education. Today we are looking at the word politics. The word is pronounced politics, politics. And the word politics has to do with decision making in governments and organizations. It's traceable to the medieval period in English, but it's a much older word when we look at Latin and French. What I'm going to do in this exercise is to provide sentences which have spaces for you to fill with different forms of the word politics. And I'm going to review the responses to your right, and you're going to compare with what you have. So you should note that in the responses, I have put certain syllables in red. Those are the syllables you should emphasize in your pronunciation. The first sentence is, he felt that if he joined Dash, his goals would advance more easily. He felt that if he joined politics, his goals would advance more easily. The second sentence, the former governor has decided to become a Dash ally. The former governor has decided to become a political ally. Notice that the stress pattern has changed in the second word. The third sentence, do you know the decisions he took as pastor were all Dash motivated, were all politically motivated, politically. Sentence number 4, from his humble beginnings, he became one of the greatest Dash in the modern era. He became one of the greatest politicians in the modern era. Number 5, the new Dash of the government is to work with international organizations to bring back the victims. The new policy of the government is to work with international organizations to bring back the victim. Sentence number 6, he was demoted because he tried to dash promotions in the company. He was demoted because he tried to politicize promotions in the company. Politicize promotions in the company. Number 7, many people thought his government failed because of the dash of education. Many people thought his government failed because of the politicization of education. Number 8, the minister was warned to stop dash and publish the census data early. The minister was warned to stop politicking and publish census data early. So my dear friends, if you like to discover new words in English and to develop and build your vocabulary, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thank you and see you in another lesson. Bye-bye.